Design and display. The big selling points for this Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e is its portability. This tab can easily slip into a bag. Its low weight also means the Galaxy Tab S5e is easy to hold for extending periods of time. This Galaxy Tab S5e weighed 400 grams, which is lighter than the 469 grams iPad 9.7 2018. It also measures 245 x 160 x 5.5 mm, making it one of the thinnest tab on the market. You will get an adapter in the box which allows you to plug in your wired headphones via the USB-C port. The only ports on the Galaxy Tab S5e are a USB-C opening and a POGO pin connector for attaching a smart keyboard. Specs and performance. With a Snapdragon 670 chipset and 4 GB of RAM at its main support, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e is quite well equipped to deliver a solid Android experience. The Galaxy Tab S5e runs Android 9 Pie with Samsung's interface on top. There's 4 GB of storage, and Tab S5e also comes with a microSD slot which supports cards up to 512 GB in size. Samsung is also making a 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage variant of the Galaxy Tab S5e, but it's currently unclear which markets this will be available in and how much it will cost. In addition, there is also a 7,040 mAh battery inside the metal body.